What up, YouTube? Back again with the Can-Am Ryker Shadow Black. I'm taking the bike in today because I had the cracked wheel nuts. It was in a recall. What I'm doing this morning, I'm going to take a ride out to the dealership, try to get my bike repaired. Alright, YouTube, just got to the shop now. Just waiting to from my appointment. They're gonna check me in. Alright, YouTube, just got to the shop now. I'm gonna get checked in. Alright, everybody's still in the shop, just checking out what they got. They got the wall over there with all the Can-Am parts and accessories and color panels you can get of the bikes. Okay, so I just got the Ryker back from the shop. Just rode home. They put all the new lug nuts on just to show you. If you get the new lug nuts, this is what they're gonna look like. You could tell the difference because one of the spikes is gonna be rounded off, and you should be able to find it. It's got like a little, it's not like a spike, it's bubble. If you see this one right here, might be too much sun, but right there, that one has like a little bubble. It's not an actual spike. That's how you know you have the new updated wheel lug nuts. That's it from me. Stay tuned for the next video. Remember to like, subscribe, follow, all that fly stuff.